Thank you so much for booking your introductory session with us here at Voicehouse. My name is Celeste Lascala and I am the head coach here, and there's just a few things that you should know before you join us. We are an adult-based singing studio and we work on coaching our singers not only how to use their voice, but how to use their voice correctly. We created our own exclusive online training program that all of our memberships get access to, and that gives you access to things like online worksheets, audio practice sessions, and videos that you can use at any point in your training with us. You also get invitations to all our workshops and masterclasses that are held a number of times throughout the year, and we offer performance opportunities biannually, which you can certainly work towards with your coach if it's something that interests you. Lessons can be held in studio or online, so it doesn't matter where you're located, Voicehouse is here for you. Be sure to check out all our membership options before you join us for your introductory session, and feel free to bring any questions that you have along to the session with you. We look forward to meeting you very soon.